Assalamualaikum viewer. This one is the lecture 7, that is defining and evaluating a function. Today we will discuss the about piecewise function. Here you watch, here is few this is a function, and this function is the function is this in this form. This one, if you want to write this one, this is the function, and you want to write this one in mathematica. How we write this one? We use this way. This one is clear g. This is not necessary to write for any function, but you start here g x underscore bracket close this one equal two dots equals equal to x backslash x, and their value, this one is the backslash and the colon is here, then 0 to 1 defined is this, and the second one is right also we write g x underscore same 2 dot equal and 1 is here, and backslash semicolon 1 to this one, and we write this one. Third one is same as this. Here we defined the three values for different values of this, and last one is g x, and this one is the g x minus 3 is semicolon and x is greater than equal to 3. Here is this one is missing now. G of x is this one. How much this is sweet function, because when we use any value, then we get the exact result like this one. If we write g of 7, then the value is used in this function, and we get the result g of 7, that is 1. And same the way that was discussed in previous lecture, the table method. For more values, we write the table, the square bracket and the curly brackets, x g of x bracket close. This is the our independent variable, and this is our function. Then first of all, independent variable, what we want to choose, we want to put first value is 0, and the move to 6 to over 24, we want to move on this place. Now we put 0, then we get 0, we put 1 over 4, we get 1 over 4, 1 over 2, and we get this result. Only we use this command and their function, answer is this.